Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is my second box of Mindful Souls, which I've decided to look at some videos and I see that people are saying, it's helped them calm, relaxed, give them peace of mind. So it gives me more understanding of what this box is all about. So let's dig into it and see if we get crystals and other goodies today that will definitely help my chakras and stuff. So let's see. Little sticker here, keep calm and no drama. That's a pretty good one right there to say. Your intuition has spoken. Choose your dreams while this beautiful piece works its magic on you. Shungite stone bracelet, I think that's how it's pronounced. Protects your energy wherever and whenever with this bracelet. So that was probably a freebie gift if you just signed up, but this is my second box. Let's see. Ooh. Like, this might be a canvas bag, maybe? Or a pillowcase. Not too sure. But overall, the artwork on it is pretty cool. And we have a smudge stick. Not sure which one this one is because I've got white sage. You got 4 little bags. Let's see what this first bag is. Open it, please. Thank you. Okay, it's being a little stubborn. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Little crystal stone disc, I'm guessing. I'll have to look at the book when I'm done here. Okay, we got a smaller bag. Let's see what's in this one. And of course, the time it takes me to get these bags out, I'm going to try and edit that little pieces out. That way it looks a little better for you guys. Ooh. This is pretty neat. It's a nugget. Not sure exactly what kind, but it's very interesting. Okay. Oh, there's 5 bags. I thought there was only 4. So bag number 3. And we got some beads here, some prayer beads. Pretty cool. I gave my niece some a while back. She'd probably be interested in that. Who knows? Okay. Bag number 4. This feels very small. Okay, here's that stone bracelet that little pamphlet talked about. As you can tell, I've got a big wrist, so it probably won't fit mine. And the finale, we got the final bag. Let's see what we got in here. And we have a necklace. Not sure what type of crystal that is, but I shall soon find out. So let's take a look at the book, shall we? Okay, that sage is Dragon's Blood Sage with Wildflowers. Intentions is cleansing and protection. Element is fire. Chakra is root. It's interesting. Okay, that disc is a red jasper circle crystal. Intentions is purifying and grounding. Element earth. Chakra is root. Okay, that's a quartz crystal. A wrapped raw clear quartz crystal. Intentions amplification and renewal. Element air. Chakra crown. Okay, and we've got the bracelet, protective tiger's eye bracelet. Oh, I love tiger's eye. I should have known that. Intentions detox and protection. Elements fire and earth. Chakra, solar plexus, and third eye. If you got your third eye open, I think you would definitely like to have this. Okay. The raw pyrite crystal. Protection and abundance is the intentions. Earth is the element. The chakra is solar plexus. And the pillowcase, Buddha pillowcase. Intentions comfort and quiet. Element air. Chakra none. So this was a pretty exciting second box. Well, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this box and more boxes to come. I have some wrestling boxes that will be on the way shortly if the processing goes through. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and click like, comment down below of what your favorite thing of this box was. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new, and click on notifications so you'll always be up to date when I post. So guys, until next time, peace out.